Hey, this is Eric with Get Lowered Cycles. Today we're doing a quick feature of the Boosted Brad DMR handlebars. The DMR handlebars are a moto-inspired aluminum handlebar for Harley-Davidson models with either cable throttle or Gen 1 throttle-by-wire systems. These are 30 inches wide, have 3 3/4 inch rise, a minimal 1.5 inch pullback, and are 1 inch at the ends to accept your stock Harley hand controls. The 1.1/8 inch center clamping area is drilled and slotted to work seamlessly with the DMR risers, as well as many other aftermarket options. The hand control area is parallel to the ground with no awkward kick-up at the end to ensure all-day comfort and control. Featured are machined lightning bolts on the front side and available in multiple finishes, including anodized colors, powder coat, chrome, and polished aluminum. Don't just take our word for it. Head on over to getlowered.com where you can shop for these and hundreds of other products with real rider reviews and feedback. Thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful. Hit us up with any questions you might have. We're here to help you get the right parts for your ride. Peace.